everyone, welcome to the Engineering Perspectives channel. This channel will be focusing on technology trends, consumer electronics, and the automotive industry. This is the first video, so if you enjoy, please like and subscribe and I will create more content. Today, we are out at US 131 Motorsports Park, where I took my Tesla for some impromptu fun at the Friday night test and tune. Alright guys, next race. Mustang 2021 Mustang Mach 1 versus the Tesla dual motor long range. We will see how it goes. The time's so. Before we get to the race, let's check out these two cars. On the right, we have the brand new 2021 Mustang Mach 1. It has 480 horsepower and a 10-speed automatic transmission. And today is driven by Evan from REVan Evan YouTube channel. I will put a link in the description below. This car really does look good in person and hope to see more at the track in the near future. On the left, we have my 2018 dual motor long range Tesla. I picked it up back in November of 2018 after a very long wait. And the only performance enhancing upgrade it has is the acceleration boost option. For those not familiar with Tesla, this is the software update where you can order from your smartphone that takes a half a second off your 0 to 60 time. My car still isn't as fast as a performance version, but still plenty of fun anyhow. As for the price, these vehicles are also quite close. Just comparing the starting price and the most significant performance upgrade, the Tesla is actually the more economical choice for this equivalent acceleration. Okay, let's get to the race. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.